Boys, Kinder 1. Our darling award, Boys, Kinder 1, is entry number 27, Talabo Shilo. Entry number 7 and 27, ang gamit po na bilang parents, kaya sila ang magpili. May basing matusok. Let's move forward sa nursery ng mga major awards. First award is the darling of the crowd. The darling of the crowd of the nursery is entry number 43, Lindon Talita. A darling of the crowd, please forward. Ay, niuli na daw. Ay, Nana! A darling of the crowd is number 43, Lindon Talita. Please, alis sa front, appeal ang parents kay mag-team. Next award is darling of the crowd sa boys. Ang darling of the crowd sa boys is entry number 55, Bautista Timothy. Bautista Timothy, entry number 55, darling of the crowd. 55, entry number 55. Niulit na? Okay, next award. Best or eye catcher. The eye catcher in girls nursery is entry number 41, Villanueva Priya. Villanueva Priya, number 41, ang eye catcher sa girls nursery. Sa boys, eye catcher is eye catcher, boys nursery. Again, eye catcher sa boys nursery is entry number 54, Dumanat Mac Living. Entry number 54. Again, number 54, Dumanat is the eye catcher of the nursery boys. Next award is Best in Stage Presence. Best in Stage Presence in Nursery Girls is entry number 39, Ibis Iliana. Entry number 39, Ibis Iliana.